Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about People's United Bank, and more specifically I'm going to show you how you can order checks for People's United. So just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are, I'm going to be talking to you about 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your People's United bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the People's United website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply peoples.com. You can also check the description for the link to People's United Bank website. So the first way that you can order checks is going to be by logging on to your People's United Bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the red login button at the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on that. That will then bring up another login button that you'll click on. You also have the option to download the app and do it on the app, but for the purposes of this video, I am going to just click login. There's also right underneath that, if you don't have a username and password, you can click on Enroll in Online Banking and follow the instructions there to complete the process. So I'm going to click on Login, and that'll open a new tab where I can enter my user ID. Click Continue, and then it'll prompt you to put your password. Over here on the left side is another link that you can click on to sign up if you are not signed up with a user ID. So once you're logged in, go to Banking Options and then order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for People's United Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your People's United debit card, and that is probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the People's United Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to also let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, but that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for People's United Bank. I already have this tab open, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for People's United Bank. And what that does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order your checks. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor, so if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll have to have your exact People's United bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the People's United website or through customer service, those numbers won't automatically be loaded, and so you'll have to provide them yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on People's United Bank.